Hi everyone, this is Emily from Triple G Gaming, and today we're playing a bird story. So as you'll notice, my face is not in the corner. This is because I have no clue how to make this game not full screen. So today, we're just going to play with my voice and this beautiful game. So this game is called A Bird Story. It is not the sequel of To the Moon, but it is by the same developers. And I think this came out 3 years after, and it has no dialogue. It's more of a story that the music and the actions and how you interpret the story will affect how you feel about it. So we're going to get started with the first chapter of the story. See, it's just a short story. So To the Moon was fairly long, but this won't be as long. I haven't personally played To the Moon, but I have seen YouTubers like Markiplier. I don't know if Jacksepticeye did To the Moon, because that would have been a while ago. So we're just going to get started. So there's the controls there on the keyboard. And I believe I can use the mouse to select things, but it'd be easier just to hit space. So there's little boy. All I know about the game, let me move the cursor off the screen. All I know about the game is this little boy who's out on his balcony finds a bird that has passed away, I believe. Oh, and there's all the birds flying away. Yes, so this looks just like To the Moon, if any of you have seen that before. And the music is just wonderful, so I'll try not to talk over the music if I can help it. There's no way in turning the volume down for the music, so we'll see how loud I am compared to the music, but I'm sure it'll be fine. He has a pretty nice room. Has he done his homework? I hope that's homework. Oh, he's in his pajamas. Oh, is it bedtime? This probably should be bedtime for me, to be honest, but I'm not that tired. Oh, what a cute little kid. Yeah, the scenery is exactly like To the Moon. But this came out 3 years later by the same studio, so that music though sounds beautiful. I don't think I'll do the whole game in one episode. The clock is not turning the right way. Why am I going backwards? What's going on? Oh, and it's got like the awkward invisible people, too. I think I'm supposed to follow him, because I think that's me from the past. And that's the paper airplane I made. And now I'm sitting on it. This is very artistic. Yeah, the shadow people. So like I'm sitting there and I'm feeding a bird, because I think this is me. And then, yeah, I crossed the street and I found a bench and I sat and I fed a bird. And then there's me, a person, and a bird again. And then there's me, but that, what? What's going on? This is a bit confusing until we know more. Is that my alarm going off? No, I'm in class. That teacher does not have a head. These children don't have bodies, though. But she has clothes. Kinda strange. I don't see any chalk being written. Anyways, Do I get up? It's time to go through my book. Am I making a paper airplane? Maybe I'm making a paper airplane. I did make a paper airplane. What am I doing with it? There's squirrels! What does that have to do with my paper airplane? Oh, that kid's getting up. He stole my paper airplane. He threw it at the teacher. What a jerk. I just wanted to make an airplane. Square root of 1764 equals cat? Oh gosh, oh no. This is very frightening. I got thrown out of class because that kid was a dick? Do I get to move myself yet? Oh my gosh. Oh. Am I not allowed to go anywhere? Do I just stand here for the whole class? People are walking by. Ooh, probably people I shouldn't get involved with. Ooh, I like how the silhouettes all look the same. And I guess that would probably be easier overall to animate. Can I walk now? I can! What's down this way? Anything? Can I open lockers? Nope. I think I'm supposed to follow those kids. Oh, the teacher's yelling at me. But teacher, you don't see me. I don't care. You threw me out because a kid was a dick. I'm gonna go on an adventure while you're gone. You're mad at me. Okay, trees are lockers. What the heck is going on here? It's like we're reliving this kid's life. I don't have anyone to play on the seesaw with me. Why was I on it in the first place? Maybe if I go sit down, I'll make friends. Can I go on the slide? I want to go on the slide. Sorry, invisible person that doesn't exist. I want to go on the slide. I can't go on the slide. The slide does not exist. Can I play in the sandbox? No. Oh, there's me. I guess we're just retracing this kid's steps throughout his life to lead him to where he is today? I'm really not too sure. This is very beautiful. I really like the music. The compositions are very nice. Okay, where am I now? Is this my apartment building? This is where I live! Do I have any mail? I'm assuming this is a very linear story. Can I go in my apartment building? I can. Oh, there's a person waiting for the button. Oh. I guess arrows kind of tell me what to do to interact with things. And there's just an invisible person who I didn't care enough to remember. Oh, but I don't want to stand beside you. They looked at me. Is this my stop? That was creepy. I don't know where my door is. The music just got really creepy. And there's mice. That's not right. Oh, maybe it's the one that they actually animated to be a room. Where are my parents? Oh, I'm home. There we go. That was just really creepy music, though. I'm home. Do I have any family? No, but I have electricity. There's a note. Oh, I'm not walking at this point. What does it say? I could not read that either. That was the game. Do I go that way or this way? I don't know if it really matters. Oh, there's something here though. Oh, it's just turning on the light. What about this switch? Okay. I don't know if there's anything else to find in here. That's the thing, because it's not a text-based, like, there's no speaking, there's no text, there's really no knowledge other than what you're doing. Why am I trying to sneak around? Oh, that's so cute. He's like, parents aren't home, didn't jump on their bed. That was adorable. That was so cute. I used to jump on my parents' bed too, when I was a kid. That was very cute. Oh, my report card? My whatever it was. Put my bed down, get out my homework. It's like my everyday schedule. But he kind of wants some food. I guess we're gonna go get some food. What's through there? Oh, that would be to the balcony. That makes sense. Is there any food? Ah. The bonus is those lights. Kind of guide you to where you want to go. Ooh, I'm playing video games. I'm the coolest kid. Did I do my homework though? But that would be what you'd do if your parents weren't home. You wouldn't do your homework. You'd go and play your game. See? Now he's like, I have to do homework because I was playing or watching TV. But yeah, I'd usually do my homework first and then watch TV because I was a good student. It is 7 p.m. Well, I assume it's not the morning. And another paper airplane he's making, I think. Aww, that's so cute. He's just running around his living room with his paper airplane. Don't pick it up. Don't leave it on the floor. Maybe that's what he does when he gets bored. Just be like, I'll rip a page out of my book. Aw, he's tired. This music, though. He's like, I gotta finish. But he's falling asleep. I've never had that happen, though. Aw, he's still sleeping. Aw, someone put a blanket over him. I know I keep saying aw, but this is a really cute game. I was thirsty, so I had a sip of pop if you heard that. Oh, the alarm, I have to go to school. He's probably like, why is there a blanket on me? Aw, he's still tired. Of course, he fell asleep. That's a really small blanket, though. I think he's kind of wondering, though. It's like, were mommy and daddy home? Or was it that creep in the elevator? I'm sure it was mommy and daddy. Yeah, he's happy. I think. Yeah, he put it back on his parents' bed. Oh, they left him another note. This new music. Oops, I was trying to use WASD. Oh, I need my backpack. Well, I just wanted to read the note. Do I need my book? Aww. That's so cute. All he wants to do is fly an airplane, maybe? Maybe that's his dream, is to fly. Okay, I need my lunch. I'm a fan. It's like Zelda. What does that mean for me? It's raining. Dang it. Oh, they left me an umbrella. Why didn't I take it? I want the umbrella. Can I not have the umbrella? It's raining. You take an umbrella if it rains, child. You almost got hit by a car. I wasn't controlling that. He just wanted to get to school. But this is very strange, the scenery change, because it looks like it's throughout his memories from the past. Okay, back at school. There's the teacher. Okay, don't make a paper airplane. Oh, I'm sleeping. Wake up. Can I wake up? No, I can't. Oh no. Is school over? Am I still sleeping? Crap. I've never actually fallen asleep at school, thank goodness. Oh, the teacher. Oh, the teacher. She is creepy. She has clothes, but no face. Oh. That abusive teacher. Just because I was tired, I was trying to do my homework. What a jerk. Oh, and it's raining now. People are hiding under trees. I hope it's not lightning and thundering too much, because if you hide under trees, you're bound to get electrocuted. Huh? Oh, I can jump. I want to play in the puddles. He's such a happy little kid. People are just really mean to him. Aww. And this music is beautiful. I'm just gonna jump because I can. Oh, this kid. What was that? Trees don't move on their own. I assume I'm supposed to go up there. I can't jump anymore. Aw, it's a badger chasing a bird? Badger, get out of here. Ow. I guess I fell. But that's why it's a bird story. 'Cause he saves a bird. And now it's sunny. Because he did something good. Now his only friend will be this little bird. The bird was dancing. Wait, don't go. Where are you going, bird? Bird, it's okay. We can be friends. I saved you from that badger, and now you're just being a jerk. How do I make him like me? Okay, I don't think I can get close to him. Maybe he'll follow me. Oh no, the badger is back. No! Don't be a dick. That bird is my friend. Oh, I threw my backpack. Ah, now the bird's in my backpack. But I'm like, where did he go? Get on my backpack. That's so cute. And he's like, oh, I don't know where that little bird went. What was that noise? The bird's in his backpack. Oh, he's so happy. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. I'm gonna get him home. These trees are really weird. Yeah, I'll get him home. Or home? Oh, we're going to a vet. Because now I have a bird. I guess I need to press buttons to open the door. No one's gonna help me and my bird? I just like listening to the music. Okay, I'm gonna be home. And I'm gonna see when it's kind of the next day, because maybe the sections are by days. Ooh, he won't appreciate my bird. Oh my goodness. How do I make it pass? Okay. Oops. That was close. I feel like there's no real way to get caught with the bird. Just because that's the whole point of the story, I'm assuming, by the title. Bird, shush. That guy's not gonna be happy. Now he moves aside. Because there's a kid with a bird in his backpack. That's funny. Okay. Well, at least he didn't say anything to anyone yet. And yet the guy in the elevator saw your bird. So, like, one person already knows you stowed away a bird in your backpack. Oh, he's looking for his parents. Oh, they left another note on the fridge. Why are my parents never home, though? I'm such a cute young boy. Again, they're not gonna be home, I don't think. Oh, they just leave a bunch of notes. That doesn't seem very good. Oh, he's gonna let the bird go on an adventure. But the bird's like, hey, maybe I will fly away. Oh, he just wants to play. That's so cute. Bird needs water. I guess. Where's my sink? Oh, the bathroom. That would make way more sense. Fine, I'll get the box. Why did you put water in a box, though? I know, I need to go to the bird. So at least the kid gives you pictures of what you're supposed to do as little hints to progress. Now the bird wants food. How do I know the bird wants food anyway? Oh, the bird's gonna go drink. I've made a friend. Because that badger was a dick. I wonder what my parents will think, me stealing bread for this bird. He's so happy. that face. He's just like, this is my new friend. We're gonna have all the fun times, and I'm gonna take care of you, and it'll be great. Where'd he go? He left. Aww. Oh, he's in the tree. It's like they're playing hide and seek. That's so cute. Haha! Oh, that's a cool thing to do. That's so cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave this episode here. We'll pick up at this point on the next episode. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!